They're done. They're done. Let the bells ring out. Man, have I got a lot of work to do now. But they're done. We're going to have a basement and a big bedroom. Well, they're finally done. Got the forms off of them. They look good. Floor's not done yet, but got the inside wall done too. This is all set up and solid. Got the pipes in place where they belong. Just got to pour the floor and do some dirt work and the thing outside, and we're good. And look, he got it exactly 12 feet. Man, he's good, isn't he? So everything's looking good. That's where the pipe's going to go out for the wood burner, in case you're wondering. Everything's looking good. Got the door frame in. The height of the basement's going to be 5'8". For another $500, I could have got 4 more inches, but anyway, they're up and done. About time for me to get started.